Students, in our last class we have proved three theorems based on the criteria on similarity of triangles. So here in this section we shall solve some examples by using those criterion for similarity of triangles. So here the question is, in figure it is given that PQ is parallel to RS. Then we have to prove triangle POQ is similar to triangle SOR. So, in triangle POQ and triangle SOR, this angle QPO will be equal to OSR because they are alternate angle. HPQ is parallel to RS. So, angle QPO is equal to angle RSO, alternate angle. Again, angle POQ is equal to angle SOR. This is vertically opposite angle. These two angles are vertically opposite angle and they are equal. Again, this PQO triangle will be equal to QRS angle. These are also alternate angle. Then angle PQO is equal to angle SRO. These are also alternate angle. So according to SSS criterion for similarity of triangles, here according to angle criterion of similarity of triangles, these two triangles are similar. So this implies triangle POQ is similar to triangle SOR by angle criterion. Next example, observe this figure and find angle P. So here AB is 3.8 unit, BC is 6 unit, AC is 3√3 unit. Here also RP is 6√3 unit, PQ is 12 unit and RQ is 7.6 unit. Angle A is 80 degree, angle B is 60 degree. We have to find angle P. So first we have to find out whether there is any relationship between the sides of two triangles or not, or whether they are in same ratio or not. Here AB is 3.8 and RQ is 7.6. So AB by RQ is equal to 3.8 by 7.6. This is equal to 1 by 2. And SC by PR is equal to 3√3 by 6√3 is equal to 1 by 2. And BC by PQ is equal to 6 by 12. So this is equal to 1 by 2. So here we observe that AB by RQ is equal to SC by PR is equal to BC by PQ. So by using this relationship, we can conclude that triangle ABC is similar to triangle RQP. So corresponding sides are in same ratio. That means AB by RQ is equal to BC by QP is equal to SC by RP. So this implies angle A is equal to angle R, angle B is equal to angle Q and angle C is equal to angle P. So we have to find angle P here. So first we have to find angle C. So what is angle C? Angle C is equal to 180 degree minus 80 plus 60. So this is equal to 180 degree minus 140 degree. So this is equal to 40 degree. So this implies angle P is equal to 40 degree. Next example, in this figure it is given that OA dot OB is equal to OC dot OD. These are two triangles. So we have to represent it in the ratio of sides of these two triangles. So this implies OA by OC is equal to OD by OB. So OA by OC is equal to OD by OB. And we know these two angles are equal because they are vertically opposite angle. And angle AOD is equal to angle angle COB, vertically opposite angle. So here in the triangle AOD and in triangle COB, one angle is equal and their included sides are in the same ratio. So this implies triangle AOD is similar to triangle COB by SAS similarity criterion. So if the two triangles are similar, then their corresponding angles are equal. So this implies angle A is equal to angle C and angle B is equal to angle D. So this is proved. That is, a girl of height 90 centimeter is walking away from the base of a lamp post at a speed of 1.2 meter per second. If the lamp is 3.6 meter above the ground, find the length of her shadow after 4 seconds. So let AB is the lamp post. So here, from here, the girl is walking towards D. And after 4 seconds, the girl reached at CD. Like this. So CD is the girl. So she reached at point D. So according to question, so let AB is the lamp post. So this is equal to 3.6 meter. So this is 3.6 meter AB. And after 4 seconds, the girl reached at D. So CD is the height of the girl. So this is equal to 90 centimeter is equal to 0.9 meter. So this is 0.9 meter. Again we have to find BD. How? So the girl is walking from B to D at a speed of 1.2 meter per second. And the time taken by her to reach at D, that is 4 seconds. So one speed of the girl is equal to 1.2 meter per second. So in 4 seconds she traveled 1.2 multiplied with 4, that is 4.8 meter. So this implies BD is equal to 4.8 meter. So CD is the height of the girl. So the shadow of the girl will be DE. So DE is the shadow of the girl CD. So let the length of the shadow is X. So let DE is equal to X. So here we have to compare the triangle CED. In triangle CED and triangle AEB, angle E is equal to angle E, common. Then angle C is equal to angle A. Why? Because CD is parallel to AB. Both the lamp post and the girl are perpendicular to the ground. So they are corresponding angle. And angle D is equal to angle B. These are perpendicular. So and angle D is equal to angle B. So this implies triangle CED is similar to triangle AEB by angle similarity criteria. So if two triangles are similar, then their sides are proportional. So from these two triangles, we can in triangle CED and triangle AEB. So what are the corresponding sides? So CD by AB. CD by AB will be equal to DE by BE. So this implies what is CD is 0.9 by 3.6 is equal to DE is X and BE is equal to BD plus D, that is 4.8 plus X. So this implies 1 by 4 is equal to X by 4.8 plus X. So this implies 4X is equal to 4.8 plus X. So this implies 3X is equal to 4.8 or X is equal to 1.6 meter. So X we have taken the length of the shadow of the girl. That means the length of the shadow of the girl found to be 1.6 meter. In the figure, CM and RN are respectively the medians of triangle ABC and triangle PQR. So here triangle ABC, CM is the median and triangle PQR, RN is the median. And it is given that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. So we have to prove first triangle AMC will be similar to triangle PNR. Then CM by RN is equal to AB by PQ. Then third, triangle CMB is similar to triangle RNQ. So we will prove one by one. So first it is given that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. So this implies angle A is equal to angle P, angle B is equal to angle Q and angle C is equal to angle R. So here angle A is equal to angle P and angle B is equal to angle Q and angle C is equal to angle R. And AB, all the sides, corresponding sides are in the same ratio. So AB by PQ is equal to BC by QR is equal to AC by PR. So to prove first triangle AMC triangle and PNR triangle, one angle is given, that is angle A is equal to angle P. So here it is given that AC by PR is equal to AB by PQ. Or here we can write AB as 2AM and PQ as 2PN. So this implies AC by PR is equal to AM by PN. So this is our first equation. And already angle A is equal to angle P. It is given. So from these two we can prove that triangle AMC is similar to triangle PNR. How? AC by PR is equal to AM by PN, AM by RN, and their included angles are equal. Angle A is equal to angle P. So by SAS similarity criteria, they are similar. Then bit 2. CM by RN. From these two triangles, they are similar. From this, we can write AM by PN is equal to MC by NR is equal to AC by PR. But here it is given that AC by PR is equal to AB by PQ. But AC by PR is equal to AB by PQ. So let this is our 2 and 3. but it is given. This is given. So by comparing 2 and 3, comparing 2 and 3, we got CM MC by NR is equal to AB by PQ. So this is proved. So this is our equation 4. Then come to bit 3. Next, third one, we have to similar the triangle CMB and RNQ. So here it is given that AB by PQ is equal to BC by QR. So in place of AB, I can write 2BN. By PQ, I can write, because I have to compare RNQ. So 2NQ. Because CM and RN are the medians, is equal to BC by QR. So this implies BM by NQ is equal to BC by QR. So this is our finding 5. BM by QN is equal to BC by QR. BC by QR. And their included angles are equal, it is given. And angle B is equal to angle Q. This is given. So by comparing 5 and 6, triangle CMB is similar to triangle RNQ by SAS, similarity condition. So in this way we can prove by using the criterion for similarity of triangles.